Children, this is 4th standard maths chapter name addition and subtraction. Page number is 33, exercise 2.8. This is the last exercise in this chapter. A grain garden had 9,569 bags of wheat. 2,564 bags were taken out on Monday and 6,696 bags were taken out on Tuesday. How many bags are left in the garden? So here grain garden had 9,560 bags. Read the question and understand properly. Then try, children. Here on Monday from garden, this is a garden. On Monday, 9,569 bags of wheat, and Tuesday wheat and 2,564 bags were taken out on Monday. So total wheat in the garden is 9,569 bags. This is a total number of bags. Now here on Monday, okay, this is a total number of bags in the garden. Now on Monday 2,564 bags were taken out, okay, from the garden, and Tuesday 6,696 from this bag. Monday 2,564 bags are taken out, and Tuesday 6,696 bags are taken out from the garden. How many bags are left in the garden? So total bags in the garden is 9,569. Now in that 2,000 change on Monday and taken out 6,000 change from Tuesday, 6,696 on Tuesday. We have to add these two number, then subtract with the total. So Monday plus Tuesday minus total number of bags, then we get the remaining or left. Exercise 2.8. A grain garden had 9,569 bags. So we have to write what is given in the question. Number of bags of wheat in a garden, or total number of bags of wheat in a garden. How much it is given in the question? 9,569 bags. Okay, 9,569 bags in a garden, total number of wheat. In that 2,564 were taken out on Monday. 2,564 bags are taken out on Monday. So sentence is, it is also given in the question, number of bags of wheat taken out on Monday. How much it is given in the question? 2,564. Check and write. Then 6,696 bags were taken out on Tuesday. So number of bags of wheat taken out on Tuesday. You can write your own sentence, but sentence should be meaningful with the grammar. Now how much? 6,696. So this is a total amount of bags in a garden. Now these two are, this is on Monday and Tuesday. So we have to add these two bags and minus with the total number of bags in a garden. Now add the number. Monday's 2,564 bags were taken out, and on Tuesday 6,696 bags were taken out. So total number of bags taken out. Now total number of bags taken out from the garden is, we have to add it. 4 plus 6 is 10, 0, 0, 1 carry. 1 plus 9 is 10, 10 plus 6 is 16, 6, 1 carry over. Okay. Again 1 carry out to next place. 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12. So 2, 1 carry out to next place. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 6 is 9. So 9,260 bags were taken out on Monday and Tuesday together. Both the day. Okay, Monday and Tuesday total 9,260 bags were taken out. Now we have to minus this with total number of bags in a garden. 9,569 bags are in a garden. Now in that 9,260 bags were taken out Monday and Tuesday together. Monday and Tuesday, that we have to subtract it. So 9 minus 0 is 9. Now 6 minus 6 is 0. we have to write greater number first on our first line and smaller number second line. Okay, 5 minus 2 is 3, 9 minus 9 is 0. So remaining bags is therefore number of bags of wheat left in the garden is 309 bags. 309 bags were left in the garden. Now second question, children. From a wire 50,000 meter long, two pieces of 22,634 meter and 27,226 meter were cut. Find the length of the remaining wire. So read the question and understand, children, whether it is addition or subtraction sum. From a wire. So this is, imagine that this is a wire. Okay. So 50,000 meter long wire. 50,000 meter long wire. In that, two pieces of 22,634 meter and 27,226 meter were cut. So from here, for example, here 22,634 meter of wire is cut here, and again from total length is 50,000 meter. In that, again how much? 27,226 meter. Okay, from 50,000 meter of length wire, a piece of first wire cut 22,634 meter and second piece 27,226 meter were cut. Find the length of remaining wire. This length we have to find. Okay, find the length of remaining wire. So remaining means we have to subtract from whole length. Whole length of the wire is 50,000. In that we have to, once we can 50,000 minus 27,226, again minus 22,634, or we can add these two pieces of first piece and second piece and subtract with the given, or 50,000 minus this. So here from a wire 50,000 meter long, two pieces of 22,634 meter and 27,226 meter were cut. Find the length of the remaining wire. So we have to add these two, first piece and second piece, and minus with the total length of the wire. So we have to write the sentence what is given in the question. So here length of a wire 50,000, total length of a wire is 50,000 meter. It is in a meter long pieces. Now total length of a two pieces of wire that were cut, because total length of two pieces of wire, this is first piece and second piece. So total length of two pieces of wire that were cut. You can write your own sentence. So here first piece is, total length of first piece of wire, how much? 22,634, and second pieces of wire, how much? 27,226. This we have to add. First piece of wire and second piece of wire. 4 plus 4 is 10. 1 carry. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 2 is 7, 8. 2 plus 7 is 8, 9. 2 plus 2 is 4. So total length of wire cut is 49,860. Now we have to find the remaining length. Remaining length we can directly minus from this. Therefore, length of the remaining wire. So 50,000 total length of wire. In that, first and second piece we added. We can add and subtract, or 50,000 minus first wire, 50,000 minus second wire. We have to subtract it here and we can write length of the remaining. Any one method you can follow, children. Now here subtraction, greater number should be on first line. And now 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 6 we can't subtract, borrow 1 from next number. So, and here also no 0, and here also 0. So from 5 you get 1 here. So 5 will become 4. Out of 10, 10 will give 1 to his friend, and 10 is now 9. This 10 rupees will give 1 to his friend, and here it will become 9. Now here 10, rich man. Now 10 minus 6 is 4. Now here 9, 9 minus 8 is 1. Now here 9, 9 minus 9 is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. So here what is the length of remaining wire? 140 meter. length of remaining wire is 140 meter. Now third question, 3 candidates contested an election. The total number of votes polled was 52,526. One candidate got 38,525 votes and the second candidate got 5,526 votes. How many votes did the third candidate get? So in an election, so total 52,526 total we got. Okay, total number of voted polled, or it means number of people and total number of vote we received is 50,526 total vote. In that, first candidate got 38,525 vote. Okay, and the second candidate got 5,526 vote. Okay, total vote poll means number of people voted, total number is 52,526. In that, first candidate who got 38,525 vote and second candidate 5,526 vote. Now third on the votes, how many vote did the third candidate get? So here also, so 3 candidates are A, B, C. Okay, A, B, C, 3 candidate. First candidate got 38,525. Second candidate 5,526. We have to find how many vote for a C candidate. So here it means we have to add these two and minus with this. This is an easy method. Add these two vote and minus with the given total number of vote. Or we can directly subtract 5526 for first person vote and B person's vote. With the answer again B person's vote, then we get the remaining. Okay, or else add these two people and minus with the total vote polled. Now sentence, the candidate contested an election, the total number of vote polled was. So write the sentence what is given in write what is given in the question. Now total number of vote polled was, total number of vote polled, it is given in the question. So how much? 52,526. In that, first person, how much? 38,525 vote. So vote secured by first candidate. Vote secured by first candidate is 38,525. This is vote. Okay, 38,525 vote secured by first candidate. Then 5,000 second candidate got 5,526 vote. So sentence is vote secured by second candidate. How much? Vote secured by second candidate 5,526. Okay. Now this is first candidate and second candidate, that we have to add it. How much? 38,525 plus 5,526. First candidate and second candidate vote. We have to add the value. Now 5 plus 6 is 11. So 1 here, 1 carry out to next place. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 5 is 10, 0. 1 carry out to next place. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. So 4 here, 1 carry out to next place. 1 plus 3 is 4. So 44,051 first and second candidate vote total. Now you have to minus this with the total. So total number of vote polled is 52,526. With that, we have to minus first and second candidate vote secured by first and second candidate. Now 6 minus 1, 5. 2 minus 5 we can't subtract in. Always greater number should be on first line, children. 2 minus 5 we can't subtract. Borrow 1 from next number. So 12. 12 minus 5 means 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 7. Okay. Then here now 4. 4 minus 0 is 4 only. Now 2 minus 4 we can't subtract. Borrow 1 from next friend. So here friend will give 1 here. So this is together 12 and 5 is now 4. 12 minus 4 means how much? 8. Yes, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Now 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. No need to write. So answer is 8475. So total number of votes secured by third person is 8475 votes. Okay, we have to add these two and minus 1 this. First read the question and understand. Now fourth question, children. A petrol pump had 98,000 liter of petrol. 5,655 liter of petrol was sold on the first day and 15,666 liter on the second day. Okay, and 38,565 liter on the third day. How much petrol was left after the third day? So here total a petrol pump had, this is a total quantity of petrol. Okay, 98,000 is total quantity of petrol. In the 5,655 sold on first day. So imagine this is a petrol bunk. Okay, petrol pump. Here, this is petrol pump. In that, total quantity of petrol is 99,000 liter. Okay, total quantity of petrol in a petrol pump is 98,000 liter. This is given in the question. And first day 5,655 liter of petrol was sold. Okay, and second day 15,665 liters sold. So 5,060 liter was sold on first day, 15,666 liter on second day, and 38,560 liter on third day. So third day 38,565 liter. So total petrol quantity of petrol in a petrol bunk is 98,000. Okay, and then first day 655 liters was sold, and second day 15,665 liters were sold, and third day 38,565 liters were sold. Now we have to find the how much petrol was left. Left means we have to subtract. So we have to subtract total of this with total number. Okay, we have to add these first day petrol, second day petrol sold, and third day petrol sold. First, second, third day, and minus with the quantity of petrol in a petrol bunk. Or 98,000 minus first day petrol, 98,000 again with the answer second day petrol, with that answer third day petrol. That is a long procedure. So add the 3 days petrol sold and minus with the total quantity. Now sentence is quantity of petrol in a petrol bank. So it is given in the question, quantity of petrol in a petrol bank is 98,000 liter. Okay, then petrol was sold, this is on first day. Okay, this is first day, and second day, third day. So it is given in a question, write the sentence, quantity of petrol was sold on the first day. How much? 5,655 liter. Okay, now quantity of petrol sold on second day. Quantity of petrol was sold on the second day. How much? 15,666 liter. 15,666 liter. And the third quantity of petrol was sold on third day. How much? 38,565 liter. So we have to add first, second, third, and minus with the total quantity. So first day petrol sold is 5,655 liter, and second day petrol sold is 15,666 liter, And third day petrol sold is 38,565 liter. That we have to add. Okay. Now 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. So 6 here 1 carry out to next place. 1 plus 6 is 1 5 1 plus 5 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 16 17 18. So 8 1 carry out to next place. 1 plus 6 7. 7 plus 6 6 12 13. 13 plus 5 18. 8 1 carry out to next place. 1 plus 5 plus 5 10. 10 11 plus 8 is 19. 9 1 carry out to next one. 3 plus 1 4 5. So 59,886 liters were sold in total 3 days. Okay, 59,886 liters of petrol were sold on 3 days. Okay, total. Now we have to minus with the total quantity of petrol in the petrol bank, petrol pump. 98,000 liter minus 59,886. This is total quantity of petrol in a petrol bank. This is total petrol was sold on 3 days. Okay. Now 0 minus 6 we can't subtract it. Here also 0. This friend also have 0 and here 8. So rich man. So 8 will help others. Okay. So 8 give 1 to his best friend and 8 will become now 7. And this 10 will give 1 to his best friends and 10 will become now 9. And this 10 will give 1 to his best friend and this 10 will become 9 now. Now here 10, rich person. 10 minus 6 is 4. Now here 9. 9 minus 8 is 1. Now 9. 9 minus 8 is 1. Now 7. 7 minus 9 we can't subtract it. Borrow 1 from next friend. So this friend give 1 to here and 9 will become 8 now. Okay. Now 17 minus 9. 17 minus 9 means how much? 8. Now 8. 8 minus 5 is 3. So total is 38,114. So that therefore the quantity of petrol was left after the third day 38,114 liters.